Hey, you all, good afternoon and welcome again. So, today we are making brownies. Um, Let me tell you, I love brownies. Like, I'm in love with chocolate. Everything that is made by chocolate, and especially brownies, are like my soulmate. I cannot live without them. And there has been a long time since I haven't cooked brownie at home. So today we are going to do that. We will cook brownies today. So सबसे पहले अभी हम एक रेसिपी देख रहे हैं. मुझे आती है रेसिपी, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने लास्ट टाइम शायद मार्च या जनवरी में बनाई थी, तो मुझे उसके बाद से कुछ याद नहीं है. थोड़ी रेसिपी हम अपनी फॉली नहीं फॉलो करेंगे. थोड़ी रेसिपी मैं जो अभी न्यू देख रही हूँ, थोड़ी हम वो फॉलो करेंगे एंड वी विल मेक brownies today. Really excited. So let's watch recipe. We got the recipe and now we are going to cook our brownies. I'm very excited. So let's go. Hi. You know what was happening from last few week? The last week especially. Around Friday, I got sick like on a tremendous level. I was high with fever, cold, cough, physically almost feeling like a dead person, and headache, like my head was just going to burst out, and I was just stick to my bed for straight 4 days. I was not able to even stand up or talk to someone, and that was the time in the last few months I did not work or did anything. I was just lying on my bed, sleeping and taking my medicines all day. And when I slowly started getting recovered, what I felt that somewhere in this physical illness, my mental wealth has also become ill, because I was not able to process things. I was not able to put my focus into something, and I was not able to take a simple decision of my life. Now I am doing the whole struggle of finding the right measurement. We need 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, no, 1 tablespoon. Let me check. Give me 2 minutes. Spoon or 1/4 teaspoon. Got it. Actually, my laptop is just inside the room, so I'm going, checking the recipe and coming back. Here is our cocoa powder and our dark chocolate. Our vanilla essence. Sorry for the packaging. It's not in my hand. My mind was feeling like a scrambled egg. Like it's all on the place, but still not so anywhere. Like it's not getting something. And during that period, I felt something, that somewhere in this whole way of living life, or in this whole very focused toward my career, I have stopped feeling joy in my life. Like I just felt that somewhere in myself, and then I was like, is this how I want to live my life? Without any kind of joy? Like what joy really means, when you enjoy your life, when whatever you are doing, whatever you are in your life, you enjoy that. And that's what I have stopped doing in the past few years, and maybe from the last year. I was not able to enjoy doing anything. Whatever I do in my professional career, they all are my passion. I love to do them, and I was not able to enjoy that thing. I was just trying to get away from something, that okay, if it's happened then I'll be able to do this, but I'm not trying to enjoy that thing. And I'm trying to building my business, but is I'm really enjoying that process? Is I'm really giving that time, or I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it and just looking forward to the future? I'm not saying that it's wrong to look toward your future, It's right to look toward the future, but what it's wrong to take your present for granted. And somewhere in this whole way of living the life, I've started taking my present for granted because all I yearn for is my future.
सॉरी फॉर द नॉइज अगर आ रही है, बिकॉज एडजस्ट फैन चल रहा है और साथ ही मेरी मम्मा स्टिचिंग कर रही हैं, तो इसलिए शायद थोड़ी बहुत नॉइज आती रहे। एंड सो नाउ वी आर, हमारी डबल बॉयलर में चॉकलेट रेडी है। वो मुझसे थोड़ा बहुत काम नहीं हो पाता ऐसा, सो मम्मा ऑलवेज कम्स फ्रॉम आवर रेस्क्यू। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू बीट आवर बैटर। वी हैव शुगर हेयर। हम बस इसमें अंडे डालेंगे एक एक करके और हमें बीट करना है हाथ से, बिकॉज दैट्स द मोस्ट प्रोसेस्ड वे। और अब ये प्रोसेस ऐसा है जिसमें मेरे हाथ दुख के मेरे हाथ में ही आ जाएंगे। तो इस मेरे साथ आज पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है ना, मैं एक आई एम नॉट एबल टू ब्रेक एग। If at this moment my brother will be here, he was just going to laugh at me because it's a moment to laugh. मुझसे एक अंडा नहीं फूट रहा था भाई, और अब ये फूट चुका है। तो लेट्स एक एक करके डालने हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 3 eggs, 1 at a time। पहला अंडा जाएगा अब इसमें, और फिर हमें egg 1 has been grown। Let's start our machine। But this is a very satisfying process। Let me tell you why। जब आप ऐसे पूरा 3 अंडे इसमें डाल देते हो पूरे के पूरे शुगर में, एंड when you get that बैटर एक्चुअली, जब आपको फिर वो बैटर मिलता है ना एकदम फ्लफी सा, बहुत सारे अच्छे कलर के साथ और अच्छी स्मेल के साथ, सारा का सारा मज़ा आ जाता है आपने जितनी भी मेहनत करी होती है ना उसका। बस here is the batter, if you can see। अभी तक सिर्फ इसमें एक एग है। we are just going to beat। और जैसे ही ऐसा हो जाएगा, this is the first time, अब हम इसमें सेकेंड एग डालेंगे। let's just add the second egg। ये मैंने सीधा का सीधा ही बैटर में खोला है, क्योंकि अब फर्स्ट टाइम इज द ट्रायल, सेकेंड टाइम आई एम द मास्टर। सो आई लव कुकिंग, बेसिकली आई लव बेकिंग। मेरे घर में कोई भी दूसरा शख्स बेकिंग नहीं करता है सिवाय मेरे। And I also make chocolate cookies। अगर I have so many choco chips, so maybe after this brownie, after few days I'll make chocolate cookies also, maybe। let's see अगर मैं बनाती हूँ या नहीं, the video will be there for you। It's time for the third egg। let's just break it। yeah, done। just mix। and I love brownie। nothing can beat the craze of brownie। and firstly, there is a bakery very near to our house। they make a cake, that name the name of that cake is brownie, and that's my favorite। on my every birthday, and मेरे घर में हर किसी के बर्थडे पे हम वो ब्राउनी केक ही मंगाते हैं, बिकॉज आई लव दैट, और मेरी वजह से सबको पसंद है वो। और वहीं पे हर्शीज़ के आते हैं, शायद हर्शीज़ के ब्राउनीज आते हैं, वो भी बहुत टेस्टी होते हैं। बट मैं जो घर पे बनाती हूँ वो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं। आपको इवनिंग में यू विल गेट द रिव्यू। अभी तो हम बना ही रहे हैं। लेट मी टेल यू द टाइम, it's almost 1:20 p.m. and God knows when give problems in the way of Diya, because today is the day when I am cooking current in this whole month, standing in this kitchen, and God was like, गर्मी दे दो भर के, बना ही ना पाए, और वो हो रहा है. मतलब दिस इज मॉनसून गोइंग ऑन, इट्स जुलाई, बट जस्ट सी द समर, the sun is shining so much. So okay, our batter is ready. Now it's time to add salt and vanilla essence. उसके लिए हमने पहले ही निकाल रखा था, पर मैं भूल गई मेजरमेंट, सो मैं जाके देख के आती हूँ. 1/4 salt we need. Let me just find the correct measure. 1/4 and 1. Okay, we need 1/4 of salt. This is the jars of our house. Very aesthetic because मेरी मम्मा और मेरी बहन थोड़े से aesthetic हैं. So we are gonna add salt. Done. And now it's time for vanilla essence. Where is the vanilla essence? Here is our vanilla essence. We are just going to open this. This is the 1 teaspoon one measure. We are going to fill this full. Have you ever smelled vanilla essence? It smells very good. I love the smell of vanilla essence. This is me pouring vanilla essence. Sorry, just taking the breaths and coming out. Done. Vanilla essence. Time to pour it. थोड़ा बच जाता है तो ऐसे कर देने का. डन. विस्क करते हैं एक बार to just give the whole brown. How's your July going? Sorry, there is a our neighbor has a dog which is a wild dog, so he barks a lot, yaar. And he barks especially when I am making video. He knew it. And all the people coming in our street when I am making video. I don't know why they have problem with me. अब बातें नहीं करते हैं. Just tell me in the comments how is your July, because जब तक ये वीडियो आएगा जुलाई एंड ही है, तो sorry. My neighbors are not human, bro. So sorry from their side. Let's just do quietly. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 PM एंड सब चीज़ एकदम प्रिपेयर हो गई है. बस हम सबने रख दिया है और अब हमें सिर्फ 1 घंटे बाद इसको देखना है. आई थिंक हमें थोड़ी बहुत टच वुड नज़र ना लगे. हमें ना ऐसे आदत भी हो गई है, हमें पता चल जाता है कि वो कब बेक हुआ है कब नहीं हुआ. मम्मी को पता चल जाता है, तो हमने रख दिया है. अब पूरा किचन मेस तो नहीं है, बट आई हैव सो मच यूटेंसिल्स टू वॉश. तो मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें लोड अनलोड का करना है एंड उसके बाद हम यूटेंसिल्स वॉश करेंगे एंड आई विल मीट यू व्हेन इट विल डन विद द बेकिंग. हालत देख रहे हो मेरी, मतलब द अमाउंट ऑफ स्वेटिंग आई हैव, लाइक नॉट टू मच बट इट्स टू मच फॉर मी. Sorry. The face I have after. But I'm very excited to just taste it and to see the result. Now let's just see. And my sister loves brownies, especially made by my hand, and she always asks for this. When I made this brownie during March or January, around that time she was not there. She was on a trip, so उसे वो brownie नहीं मिली थी. उसके आने से पहले I have eaten it all. So she doesn't know till now that I have made brownie. So she is going to get a surprise in the evening when she will come home from office. She is going to get a surprise with her dinner. It's going to be brownie, and I know she is going to be very happy. I am very excited. So let's wash the utensils. They are waiting for me. Let's go.